Just upgraded your iPhone? You'll be amongst the first to have access to the new dual capture camera mode, allowing you to record videos with both your front and back cameras at the same time. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use dual capture mode on the new iPhone 17 and Air models. Now let's get started. To enable dual capture on your iPhone, first open your camera app. At the bottom, select Video. Now tap the dots in the top right corner to access more options. At the bottom, select Dual Capture. With this setting enabled, you'll be able to see a small window with the view from your front camera, and the view from your back camera being the main focus of the rest of the camera preview window. You can drag the small window with the front camera view to any of the four corners, so that it doesn't block your view of whatever you want to capture with the back camera. When you're ready, you can hit the record button to begin recording in dual capture mode. You can move the front camera window around while recording as needed. You can still zoom in and out with the back camera as normal while using the dual capture. While both cameras are used when recording in dual capture, this mode still records your videos as one file, so the front camera view cannot be moved or removed post-recording. When you watch your video back, you'll be able to see what you recorded with both cameras at the same time. You can turn off dual camera mode by tapping the dual camera icon in the top right corner. Note that this feature is currently only available on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and the iPhone Air. We hope to see this option rolled out to other iPhones in the near future. That's all it takes to use dual capture mode on the new iPhone lineup. Want to learn about more new iPhone features? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.